Welcome! In front of me I have a XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this Smart Band. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your Smart Band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Another thing worth to mention is that you can download additional watch faces on the Smart Band in two ways. The first way is to do it through the Mi Fitness application, basically the app you use to pair the devices together. And the second method or way is to do it through the third-party application you can download from the App Store. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the Mi Fitness application, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the third-party application. Okay, so let's open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our Smart Band. Once you open the app, tap on the device icon. It should bring you to the device page. On it you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 8. Now tap on Manage Band Displays. It will open the online store and you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you would like to use on your Smart Band, tap on it, and then tap on Apply. And it's gonna start installing the watch face on your Smart Band. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, after it's done installing, it's gonna be applied on your Smart Band. So that's how you download additional watch faces on the Smart Band through the XIAOMI application. You can always check the list of downloaded Smart Bands by tapping on My Displays right here in the store, and you will see the list and you can tap on them to reapply them if you want to. You can also remove them by tapping on the delete button. Okay, now let's download some watch faces through the third-party application. So open the App Store on your phone, tap on search and type in Mi Band 8 watch faces. And tap on search. And you should see couple of apps. As you can see, I'm just gonna use the first one with the most amount of downloads. I'm gonna select it and then tap on install. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Here tap on next, 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 finish, tap on OK, and here we have the list of watch faces. As you can see, find the watch face you would like to use on your Smart Band, tap on it to select it, allow the permission. This is required, so allow it. Now you can tap on the download button right here, and as you can see, we need to allow another permission. Basically, you need to tap on give permission. It will redirect you to the folder with the XIAOMI wearable. Tap on use this folder, tap on allow. You may see the app, or rather add in the app. You can close it once you see the X button. And now we have the installation steps and we need to follow them for it to work. So basically you need to click on this button to move to the Mi Fitness app, then open the device, tap on Manage Displays. Here you need to select categories, select the activity categories, and you need to select this watch face. Once you select this watch face, tap on apply. It has to be this specific watch face, so be aware of that. And once you apply this specific watch face, it will be basically replaced. So you will see the watch face you wanted to install from the third-party app. Basically how it works is this app spoofs the specific watch face with the other one you selected from the app. And if you want to install different watch face, you will need to first go to the XIAOMI application, Mi Fitness application rather, go to the Manage Band Displays, go to the My Band Displays, select the Vintage Data display, the one we applied before, and we need to delete it. And then you will need to reapply it basically. So you can select then different watch face For example, let's go back to the store, select something like this, tap on download, tap on move to Mi Fitness, device, manage displays, categories, activity, select the vintage data and apply it. And once you apply it, it should apply the other watch face. And you need to remove it every time you want to change the watch face from the third-party app. That's how it works. Like this. Okay. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.